Namaste everyone, my name is K.Pranathi. I am studying in 5th class in coding section Aryabhatta. Today I am going to show you the Protect Our Siblings game. In this game I have created 4 characters: Unicorn, Princess, Zombie, Ghost. Zombie throw the blue fireball. Ghost throw the red fireball. Without touching the ball, you have to protect your siblings. If you are touch the balls, you will lose your life. If you reach the your siblings, the alien and will ghost will disappear. You will win the game. Now let us check the game. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly support and subscribe my channel.